Hi guys, welcome to Ambest Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate next generation alternative energy storage application with supercapacitor or ultra capacitor. This project aim is to generate solar energy to our household appliances using solar supercapacitors or ultra capacitors. Here we are using 3-watt solar panel. So this solar panel capacity is 12 volts. So this 12 volts is storing into this 3 supercapacitors. Each supercapacitor capacity is 5.51 each. So 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. It's approximately 16.5 volts DC supply. So the solar voltage is directly storing into this supercapacitor. So the supercapacitor is here working as a rechargeable battery. So here the solar energy is storing into this supercapacitor. The storing energy is converting into AC using this inverter circuit. Here we are using CD4047 multivibrator and IRF 540 2 N-channel MOSFETs and one center tap step up transformer, and this is AC load. Here we are connected 15 watts AC load. So the solar panel also can use alternative storage, that is rechargeable battery. This is 12 volts rechargeable battery. Here we are using for storing alternative. So here the solar voltages directly can store into this supercapacitor as well as battery. If you want to store in supercapacitor, you can directly use the storage energy into AC without using this rechargeable battery. So this is directly can run. And this uses supercapacitors can charge very fastly, and it also discharging time is very fastly, so that this can be using within, we can charge it mobiles and any household appliance within fraction of seconds. This is the advantage of this project. Let me demonstrate this project how it is working. So when I switch on this device, so here directly I am getting here the DC power. This DC power is, we are using unidirectional production and solar charging circuit. Then it can be storing into rechargeable battery or supercapacitor. If I connect battery to this supercapacitor, here directly this inverter capacity is 100 watt efficient inverter circuit. This inverter is directly convert this 12 volts AC to DC. Here I am converting battery to inverter. See, this is my load. This is 15 watt load. If I connect here, so this is fully switch on. If I switch off, switch on, switch on, like this. If we connect supercapacitor, this is also can work with directly based on supercapacitor backup. It can run this inverter circuit. Let me demonstrate. Here I am connecting here. So here the battery is charging right now. If I am connecting here, if the solar supercapacitor is charging like this, it is also running with AC loads.